Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to open a box of 98.99 SP Authentic. Been waiting a while to open one of these. They've actually gone down in price fairly recently. I remember several years ago they used to be really hard to find and really expensive. Primary reason it's the Milan Hajduk's rookies were found in here. Those actually sell very well too, when he was still playing at least. And you can also hit the Year of the Great One inserts. So, actually a big hit if that happens. This up here. On the back, you'll notice that Upper Deck was participating in a little contest here, so you can read that. All the different prizes, redemption prizes you can hit. Obviously, at this point, see right here, redemptions expired in the year 2000. So, fortunately, if we hit any of those, there's not really a chance for us. So, it's pretty standard for SP Authentic. There's 5 cards and 24 packs. You should get 2 autographs per box. So even this year's SP Authentic and going forward, it's a pretty standard 2 or 3 autographs. There are no rookie patch autos. Back then, let me take a look at the back of the box one last time, at the side of the box at least. I'll give you the odds. See those. The big hit here is the Year of the Great One jersey auto featuring Wayne Gretzky. I actually own one of those. I'll show you that at the end of the break. And then the Hajduk rookie, and there's gold versions of the Sign of the Times autos that sell very well. These packs are a little bent, a little warped over the years. So, okay. Just the standard base cards. Richter Chelios when he was still on the Blackhawks. And this is the Power Shift parallel. So it's not numbered. Oh, it is numbered, sorry. You can see it right up there. 475 out of 500. So I believe you can get rookies that are Power Shift also, that kind of go for a little bit of a premium. Right, so this one's sticking out of the bottom. The Peter Bondra Snapshots insert. Hope this video's shown a little bit better than the last one. I know there's a couple people on YouTube that love pointing out the quality issues, and I'm trying to get better on that. Just trying to find a way to get these cameras to work. Unfortunately, the quality goes down a little bit when I open these on Facebook Live and record at the same time, so it's kind of a drawback. Okay, Lindros, Solani. All base. Doug Gilmore on the Blackhawks. Okay, we just got a rookie, Future Watch rookie. It's actually a big name back in the day. Got one of the future faces, future Hall of Fame NHL goaltenders that didn't really pan out. This would have been a decent hit back then. So that's what the rookies look like. They're all numbered out of 2000. Fortunate thing with a lot of these cards, at least as we've experienced previously, is they all stick together when you have autographs. Kind of hurts the quality of the auto, but these aren't sticking too bad. All base. Alright, we got an insert back here. Got the Ron Francis Stat Masters out of 1500. So let's back that up. We got another Future Watch. Got Olli Jokinen. Alright, we got another Future Watch. This is the Power Shift rookie, and it is Bart Rushmer. What a hockey name right there. As you can see, the Power Shift parallel, all the rookies are numbered out of 500. Back of the card. So unlike the products today, the rookies aren't autographed. So it's just sign of the times autograph inserts. So we have another snapshots. This one's Paul Correa. So we should be expecting 2 autographs. We'll see. Okay, we just hit our first auto. It's Curtis Joseph. Back. That's a nice looking card right there. I'm not sure if it is really is a short print or not, but I did see it listed. I kind of scanned some of these cards on eBay just to see what they're going for. I did see this one listed as a short print, so you know the seller could have just added that at the end just to beat things up a little bit, but it could be a short print. I'd have to look at the do some research on that, but that's not a bad hit at all. Okay, and we've got another auto here. Ross Lupachuk. I'm not really sure. I don't remember him. It's a great looking autograph set though. So I would assume that's probably it as far as the autographs go, but you never know. One of those Gretzkys could be hiding in here in the final 5 packs. Got a Pronger Power Shift. Oh, this one's really hard to see. It is also numbered out of 500. It's 469 out of 500. So Upper Deck definitely picked an interesting place to put the serial number on some of these cards. Got a snapshot. It's Eric Brewer. That's pretty interesting. I never knew that he was actually on the Islanders. Learn something new every day. We have another rookie, Josh Green, 1961 out of 2000. You know, with the amount of rookies we pulled and that Cujo autograph, this is a pretty decent box by 1998 standards. the last pack here. Alright, so here is the Year of the Great One insert. This is already in my collection. I didn't pull it tonight, just in case you're skipping ahead. This is actually basically the big hit of the entire product from the year that Gretzky retired. So, numbered out of 40, hand signed, numbered on the back also. Unfortunately, we didn't get one tonight, but I already had one, so that works too. Thanks for tuning in, guys.